Continuing on, CNC Group break number 5869. We're on to the 1415 Clear Showcase and 1516 Upper Deck Artifacts. All right, we've got a red glow jersey number to 36 for the Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. Nail Yakupov, 12 of 36 for the Oilers. Metal Universe for the Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Flair Showcase for the Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. Patch. Skybox Premium number to 299 for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Flair Showcase for the Boston Bruins, Dougie Hamilton. Metal Universe for the Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Skybox Premium Rookie number to 299 for the Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. We've got a Flair Showcase Blue Ice number to 99 for the Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic. Joe Sakic got a 99 for the Avs. Metal Universe for the Hawks, Bobby Hull. Flair Showcase for the Edmonton Oilers, Leon Draisaitl. Skybox Premium Rookie number to 299 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Jonathan Drouin. Who might get called up by Tampa Bay soon, actually, I heard. Metal Universe for the Montreal Canadiens, Sven Andrighetto. Precious Metal Gems Ruby, numbered 54 of 100 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. PMG Ruby at a 65, Sidney Crosby for the Penguins. Metal Universe for the Blues, Yori Lehtera. We've got a 3-color Hot Prospects Rookie Patch Auto number to 175 for the Edmonton Oilers, Laurent Brossoit. Out of 175 for the Oilers. And we've got a redemption for a Hot Prospects Rookie Patch Auto number to 175 for the New York Rangers, Kevin Hayes. All right, on to the artifacts. Ruby number to 399 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Ron Francis. Rookie number to 999 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Josh Anderson. Ruby number to 399 for the Dallas Stars, Marty Turco. Terrific. Emerald number to 99 for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Rookie redemption for the Florida Panthers, Connor Brickley. Pretty sure that's Brickley. For the Panthers, might be Logan Shaw. I'm not actually sure. We've got a treasured swatches for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri. Mittens. Nazem Kadri for the Leafs. Dual jersey number to 125 for the Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Evgeny Kuznetsov. And what have we here? Oh, nice. A Tundra Tandems dual fight strap, numbered 6/9. Nice. For the Washington Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom and Evgeny Kuznetsov. 6/9 for the Capitals. Yevgeny Kuznetsov, Nicholas Backstrom, Tundra Tandems dual fight strap. Sweet. All right, come next, Trilogy and SP Game News.